Teaching the class about solving equations. Know these steps and you won't have any frustration. When you divide an inequality by a negative, switch a sign. It's not that hard, just make sure you stay in the grind. But if you divide by a positive, keep the same sign because they are buddies and they don't want to change the line. There are two types of inequalities, they are and or. There is only one way to find out which one it is for sure. You gotta solve both equations and graph it on the number line. And take a look and see if they separate or combine. If they face each other, then you know they are an and. But if they look divorced, then there must be a different plan.
Tell me how to solve it. You know you find the answer when you grab it and you check it, don't quit. Inequalities are easy, you can do them with no problem. You just need to sing along with me. Even if the content is for new to you, after hearing this song, you will know what to do. You gotta solve it first, but don't turn back until you check and rehearse.
So if it's an and, then you cannot forget this. The interval notation is something you can't dismiss. It will look just like a point located on the graph. There is just one difference. It's so easy. You can write the points in order just the way that you see them. But then you have to look back at the equation. If it's or equal to, then it becomes a bracket. And when graphing on the number line, the dot will be filled in. If it's just greater than or less than, the dot stays open and the parentheses come in. So now it's time to write down the interval notation. Use these hints to figure out which operation to use.
Tell me how to solve it. You know you found the answer when you grabbed it and you checked it, don't quit. Inequalities are easy, you can do them with no problem. You just need to sing along with me. Even if the content is brand new to you, after hearing this song, you will know what to do. We gotta solve it first, but don't turn back until you check and rehearse.
There's one last thing that you need to do to get full credit for the part twos. It is a set notation. All the elements you solve for, it goes in curly brackets, whether it was and or. It starts with an X, then a vertical line, and input all the data and you'll be fine. It's all the solutions you just solved for. After you do this, then you will have a perfect score. Solving inequalities isn't as bad as you think. You can do it while you are taking a sip of your drink. You just have to remember the steps to take. And doing this will be a piece of cake. So now you know how to solve inequalities. There is no stopping you, there are no boundaries. So now when you see an inequality like this, just think about the song and reminisce.
And tell me how to solve it. You know you found the answer when you checked it and you checked it, don't quit. Inequalities are easy, you can do them with no problem. You just need to sing along with me. Even if the content is brand new to you, after hearing this song, you will know what to do.
I got
gotta solve it
my boot
first,
but I don't push that because I do.